the Victron system works. You can click on your items and get detail on those, but I want the online portal because that gives more information. It logs in, and look at that. That's my lithium. That's with 6 medical LFP batteries. You can see here there's plenty of space. Even if somehow there was no sun, it'll probably make it to the next day and recharge itself. So this is a good, healthy level of discharge overnight. The size of your batteries determines how much load you can put on your system instead of the solar panels. So you'd be kind of surprised. The amount of solar available is immense, and most of it is not even used. This is now summer solstice, but even if it was winter, this would be a lot smaller, but it would still be overpowering. So it's really the size of the battery and the fact that you can make it over to the next day over, even if there's no sun. That's what determines how much load you have. If you put more load on it, this will go down faster. Less load will go, or make the batteries bigger, this will go down slower. This is a relatively small system since I just kind of set it up. This is the big one. This one, let's see, currently it was like 900 watts there. This can recharge off the grid in case it gets runs a little low. So have it programmed that at 60% it'll recharge to 80% and then go back. So if here it's a little heavily overloaded, so you can see the slope is too steep because if there's no sun this day, it'll kind of run out. So that's why I have it automatically recharge when it gets too low. I will fix this by increasing the size of this battery by later moving the medical LFPs to it. But that's not for now.